G. Deep fill washer troubleshooting. Preventive measures. Taking preventive measures can extend the life of your GE deep fill washer. Proper usage, load balancing, and routine inspections can help avoid common issues. These steps ensure your washer works efficiently and lasts longer. Proper usage, using the washer correctly, is crucial. Follow the user manual for instructions on settings and cycles. Overloading the washer can cause damage. Always load the washer with the right amount of clothes. Using the correct detergent is also important. Avoid using too much detergent. Load balancing. Balancing the load in your washer is vital. Unbalanced loads can cause the washer to vibrate and make noise. Distribute clothes evenly in the drum. For bulky items, add smaller items to balance the load. This helps the washer spin properly. Routine inspections. Regular inspections can prevent potential problems. Check the hoses and connections for leaks. Clean the washer's drum and detergent drawer monthly. Look for any unusual noises or vibrations. If you notice any issues, address them promptly. Preventive measure action frequency. Proper usage, follow manual, avoid overloading. Use correct detergent, always load balancing. Distribute clothes evenly. Balance bulky items every load, routine inspections, check hoses, clean drum. Inspect for issues monthly. By following these preventive measures, you can ensure your GE deep fill washer remains in good working condition. This will save you time and money on repairs. Note, if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.